Hey folks, another very useful button, the B hotkey in combination with the C key. But first I think I have the Blender basic settings you folks know because of left and right click but let's jump in. The task is to select the left chair. Sounds easy, but if we use the circle select tool with C and deselect is the middle mouse button if C is active, you see he doesn't do it. That's because circle select expects the object origin, like that one, at least in the object mode. In the edit mode works that fine. I don't want flame C, but better is in this case the B select tool. I activate that with B. B doesn't matter where the origin is. Cool. Now the other objects interrupt our view and annoy our workflow. We solve the problem with Alt B. A newer style to select the objects is simply with the mouse left key click or hold for select and box select. You can also change the select style if you click and hold the left mouse button over this icon. You folks need to try that and switch between edit mode and object mode. The last thing, when we look through the camera, we can make a render border and render only our chosen field with Ctrl B. And if you are in cycles, it works also in the viewport, if you have cycles and this viewport shading active. Remove is with Ctrl, Alt and B like that. And the very last thing is Shift B. I think I never used that, but it zoomed in. I can show you everything in all combinations, but thanks so much for watching with my little introduction and see you next time.